Are you tired of short, thin eyelashes that just don't seem to grow? Do you find yourself constantly applying mascara or false lashes just to achieve the look you desire? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm about to share with you a proven method to grow long, thick, luscious eyelashes in no time. In this video, you will discover the secrets to stimulating eyelash growth, the best ingredients to nourish your lashes, and simple yet effective techniques to enhance the appearance of your eyes. No more settling for mediocre lashes. Get ready to flutter those beautiful, bold lashes and turn heads wherever you go. Let's dive right in and explore the incredible ways you can transform your lashes from dull and sparse to vibrant and voluminous. Did you know that the average person is born with approximately 200 eyelashes on the upper lid and 75-80 on the lower lid? However, many people struggle to maintain the health and growth of their lashes, leading to thinning, breakage, and an underwhelming appearance. The good news is that there are several scientific and natural methods you can implement to stimulate lash growth and achieve the lush, flirtatious look you desire. Let's start by understanding the anatomy and growth cycle of eyelashes. Eyelash anatomy and growth cycle. Eyelashes are tiny, yet remarkable, hairs that serve an important function in protecting our eyes from dust, debris, and excessive light. Each lash is composed of keratin, a protein that gives the lash its structure and strength. The base of the lash, known as the follicle, is embedded deep within the eyelid and is responsible for producing new lash growth. Eyelashes, like the hair on our heads, go through a cyclical growth pattern. This cycle consists of three main phases. Anagen phase. This is the active growth phase, where the lash follicle is producing new lash hair. This phase typically lasts 4-7 weeks. Catagen phase. During this transitional phase, the lash stops growing and the follicle begins to shrink. This phase lasts approximately 2-3 weeks. Telogen phase. Also known as the resting phase, this is when the lash detaches from the follicle and falls out. A new lash will then begin to grow in its place, starting the cycle over again. The telogen phase lasts around 4-9 months. Understanding this growth cycle is crucial, as it helps us identify the best ways to support and optimize lash growth throughout the different stages. Factors affecting eyelash growth. Now that we understand the anatomy and growth cycle of eyelashes, let's explore some of the key factors that can influence their growth and appearance. Genetics. Your genetic makeup plays a significant role in the thickness, length, and density of your eyelashes. Some people are simply blessed with naturally long, full lashes, while others may have to put in a bit more effort to achieve their desired look. Age. As we grow older, the natural lash growth cycle begins to slow down, resulting in thinner, shorter lashes. This is due to a gradual reduction in the production of growth-promoting hormones. Medications. Certain prescription medications, such as those used to treat cancer, high blood pressure, and depression, can have a negative impact on eyelash growth. These drugs may disrupt the lash growth cycle or cause lash loss. Eyelash treatments. Improper use of eyelash curlers, extensions, or mascara can lead to lash breakage, thinning, and even loss. It's essential to be gentle and use these products as directed to avoid damaging your natural lashes. Nutrition. The health and growth of your eyelashes are directly influenced by the nutrients you consume. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants play a crucial role in supporting lash follicle health and promoting lash growth. Stress and skin conditions. High levels of stress and certain skin conditions, such as blepharitis or dry eye syndrome, can contribute to lash loss and impaired growth. Now that we've explored the various factors that can affect eyelash growth, let's dive into the proven methods and ingredients that can help you achieve the lush, voluminous lashes you've been dreaming of. Proven methods for eyelash growth. Eyelash serums. Eyelash serums are one of the most effective and popular methods for stimulating lash growth. These specialized formulas contain a blend of active ingredients that nourish the lash follicles and promote healthy lash development. Key ingredients to look for in eyelash serums include peptides, biotin, and prostaglandin analogs. Natural oils. Certain natural oils, such as castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, have been used for centuries to condition and strengthen eyelashes. These oils are rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that can help hydrate the lashes, reduce breakage, and support overall lash health. Eyelash-enhancing vitamins. Consuming a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals is crucial for maintaining strong, healthy lashes. Supplements containing biotin, vitamin E, and antioxidants can provide an additional boost to support lash growth and appearance. Eyelash massage. Gently massaging the eyelids can help stimulate blood flow to the lash follicles, which in turn can promote lash growth. Be sure to use a clean finger or a soft, clean cloth and apply light, circular motions. Proper eyelash maintenance. Properly caring for your eyelashes by avoiding harsh makeup removers, using a lash-friendly mascara, and being gentle when applying and removing eye makeup can all contribute to the health and longevity of your lashes. Let's dive deeper into some of these proven methods and discuss the specific ingredients and techniques that can help you achieve your lash goals. Eyelash serums. Eyelash serums are one of the most effective and popular options for promoting lash growth and thickness. These specialized formulas contain a blend of active ingredients that work together to nourish the lash follicles and support the natural growth cycle. One of the key ingredients found in many eyelash serums is peptides. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that can help stimulate the production of keratin, the protein that gives lashes their structure and strength. By enhancing keratin production, peptides can lead to longer, thicker, and more resilient lashes. Another common ingredient in eyelash serums is biotin, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in the health and growth of hair and lashes. Biotin helps to strengthen the lash follicles, reduce breakage, and support the overall lash growth cycle. Prostaglandin analogs, such as bimatoprost, are also used in some eyelash serums. These ingredients work by increasing blood flow to the lash follicles, which can stimulate lash growth and enhance the appearance of lashes. When using an eyelash serum, it's important to follow the instructions carefully and apply the product consistently. Most serums recommend daily use, either morning or evening, to achieve the best results. With consistent use over several weeks or months, you may notice a significant improvement in the length, thickness, and overall appearance of your lashes. Natural oils. In addition to specialized eyelash serums, there are several natural oils that can be used to condition and strengthen eyelashes. These oils are rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that can help hydrate the lashes, reduce breakage, and support overall lash health. One of the most popular natural oils for eyelash care is castor oil. Castor oil is known for its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that can help stimulate blood flow to the lash follicles and promote lash growth. To use castor oil, simply apply a small amount to a clean eyelid and lash line using a clean finger or a cotton swab, and leave it on overnight. Coconut oil is another natural oil that has gained popularity for its lash-enhancing properties. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which has antimicrobial and moisturizing properties that can help strengthen and condition the lashes. You can apply a small amount of coconut oil to your lashes before bedtime and gently massage it into the lash line. Olive oil is another versatile natural option for eyelash care. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that can help nourish and protect the lashes. Simply apply a small amount of olive oil to your lashes using a clean finger or cotton swab, and allow it to soak in overnight. When using natural oils for eyelash care, it's important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the frequency and duration of use as your lashes adjust to the new routine. Consistency is key, as you'll need to use these oils regularly to see the best results. Eyelash-enhancing vitamins. In addition to topical treatments, consuming a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals can also play a crucial role in supporting the health and growth of your eyelashes. Certain key nutrients, such as biotin, vitamin E, and antioxidants, can provide an extra boost to your lash care regimen. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is a particularly important nutrient for lash growth and health. Biotin helps to strengthen the keratin in your lashes, reducing breakage and supporting overall lash integrity. You can find biotin in a variety of foods, including eggs, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, or you can supplement with a biotin-rich vitamin or supplement. Vitamin E is another essential nutrient for lash care. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can help protect the lash follicles from damage and support healthy lash growth. You can find vitamin E in foods such as avocados, almonds, and sunflower seeds, or you can take a vitamin E supplement. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, can also play a vital role in supporting lash health. These nutrients can help to reduce inflammation, which can impair lash growth, and protect the lash follicles from environmental stressors. When choosing an eyelash-enhancing vitamin or supplement, be sure to look for a high-quality, reputable brand that contains a balanced blend of these key nutrients. Consistency is important, so be sure to take your vitamins regularly as directed to see the best results. Eyelash massage. In addition to topical treatments and nutritional support, eyelash massage can also be an effective technique for stimulating lash growth and improving their overall appearance. Gently massaging the eyelids can help increase blood flow to the lash follicles, which in turn can promote lash growth and strengthen the lashes. To perform an eyelash massage, simply use a clean finger or a soft, clean cloth to apply light, circular motions to the eyelid and lash line. Be sure to use a gentle touch and avoid pulling or tugging on the lashes, as this can lead to damage and breakage. Start with a small amount of pressure and gradually increase as your lashes become more accustomed to the massage. It's recommended to perform an eyelash massage a few times per week, either in the morning or evening, to help support the health and growth of your lashes. Over time, you may notice a visible difference in the length, thickness, and overall appearance of your lashes. Proper eyelash maintenance. Maintaining proper eyelash care and hygiene is crucial for supporting the health and longevity of your lashes. By avoiding harsh makeup removers, using lash-friendly mascara, and being gentle when applying and removing eye makeup, you can help reduce lash breakage and promote overall lash health. When it comes to removing eye makeup, be sure to use a gentle, oil-free makeup remover or micellar water. Avoid using harsh, alcohol-based removers, as these can strip the lashes of their natural oils and lead to dryness and breakage. When applying mascara, be sure to use a lash-friendly formula that is formulated to condition and nourish the lashes. Avoid waterproof mascara, as these can be particularly difficult to remove and may cause lash damage during the removal process. Finally, be gentle when applying and removing eye makeup. Avoid tugging or pulling on the lashes, as this can lead to lash loss and impaired growth. Instead, use a clean cotton swab or a soft, clean cloth to gently remove makeup from the lash line and eye area. By incorporating these simple eyelash maintenance tips into your daily routine, you can help support the health and longevity of your lashes, setting the stage for longer, thicker, and more vibrant lashes. In conclusion, achieving long, thick, and luscious eyelashes is well within your reach. By understanding the anatomy and growth cycle of eyelashes, and implementing a comprehensive lash care regimen that includes eyelash serums, natural oils, eyelash-enhancing vitamins, massage, and proper maintenance, you can unlock the secret to transforming your lashes from dull and sparse to bold and beautiful. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to lash care. Stick to your routine, be patient, and trust the process. With time and dedication, you'll be rewarded with the lashes of your dreams, and you'll be able to confidently flatter your eyes and turn heads wherever you go. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to longer, thicker eyelashes today, and get ready to embrace the power of your new, vibrant lashes. Your eyes will thank you, and the world will be captivated by your stunning, lush lashes.